Hello guys, in this lecture we're going to talk about how you can add more links actually to your bio than just one and promote more product, more services, and or send people to different social media sites. So I'm going to present you on my other Instagram account here. So let me just make this full screen, and as you can see on this account there is the link added here. So and what's gonna happen if I'm gonna click this link is gonna redirect you to the landing page, and I have 3 buttons here, and all those buttons they link to different sites. So for example, I actually want people send to LinkedIn, to my website, or my different running blog on Instagram. So if I'm gonna click, for example, the LinkedIn, it's gonna redirect me straight away to LinkedIn. So this way I promote more sites, more links than just one using this redirection landing page link, and I can add as many URL links and product I want to. So it's completely free of charge. And now I'm gonna show you how you can set this up. If you can just go to your Google searching engine and type Linktree, you're gonna see the first link to this website, and if you can just set up your free account and log in. I'm gonna log in with my Instagram account as well, and as you can see I have 4 links set up but only 3 visible because one is the switch off. So you can turn off and on anytime you like to make visible or just remove it. So the way you set this up, you just click this button here, add the new button link, and all you need to do is just add type the name, for example Facebook, and URL link to your business page, Facebook, or private page, whatever you like to people to send and or promote. And after that is just don't have any links here. I'm gonna just for just testing purpose I'm like let me just copy this one. You can see I'd add any link, and I have a Facebook button here now. So I have a Facebook and have a LinkedIn. They both link to the same URL, so they will go to the same place, but this is just for the testing purpose. I just want to show you how to set this up. So I'm just gonna switch off this or even completely remove it, and I have those 3 tabs with the 3 URL links. And also very important things, you can always actually click those statistics and check how many people click of your link, just to see how many people are interested in your product or service. So it's free of charge. It's really good actually to check your data. And in the settings button on the top, you can also change the colors, the backgrounds. So let's say like all those kind of different backgrounds. Depends what actually fit your style, and I'm just gonna stick with the blue and white. And after you set all those links, on the top here you have a link, and this link is redirection link to this landing page. So you need to add this link to your bio. So I'm just gonna copy, and you just come back to your profile and you add the link to your bio. So the best way is you do it faster way on the desktop. Just edit and add the link here, your website, and just click submit. So that's it, guys. This is how simple it is just to add more links to any different products or services. It's the same on the your computer. If you actually on desktop, for example, we click this link right now, they will redirect us to different pages, different link sites, so we can promote something else and generate actually more traffic to different sites. So I hope you actually enjoyed this lecture, and I hope this will be the good value for your actually profile to just promote more product, services, or social media. And thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you on another lecture.